Hi guys, and welcome to Excited for Coupons. So I'm going to be sharing with you my second haul that I did for this Sunday weekly ad, and it came out to $8 for everything, but it would have been $69. So if I got the cheapest items, it would have been probably free and moneymaker, but these are items that I really wanted to get. Also in the description box, I'm going to be including the coupons you could use and the spreadsheet if you like as well. The first item I got was the Garnier facial mask. Luckily for this card, it did have a coupon saying deducting 3 off 2. So I purchased 2 of the masks. They cost $2.89. I paid $5.78, but I gave them that CVS coupon, and I got back a 5 ECB, making this free and moneymaker. On this card, I also did another deal for the Maybelline. This is an item that I really wanted to get, was the brow item, and it cost $7.99. So I purchased 2. My total came out to $15.98. So I was able to use 2 printable coupons and also a CVS coupon that says 4 off 14 when you spend CVS cosmetic. I paid $9.98. I got back 5 ECB, making it $2.49 each. I purchased 2 of the Covergirl melting pout. It's kind of like a lipstick, and it costs $8.79, so the total was $17.58. I used 1 of the printable coupons, deducting 6, and also the extra care that everybody's getting for Covergirl, deducting 3. And I also had a 3 off 15 Covergirl, so I paid $5.58. I got back 5 ECB, making it 58 cents, or just 29 cents each. The other item I really wanted to get was the Neutrogena. We have to get acne products. So I got the Light Therapy for $22.99 and the Clear Pore for $6.99. So my total came out to $29.98. I used 2 of those Neutrogena coupons that expired $3.31 and a CVS facial deducting 4. So I paid $21.98. I also submitted my receipt to iBoda and I got $4 back. So my total came out to $7.98, just $3.99 each. Here's a spreadsheet of how my trip went. I did 2 different transactions, and I also did use a $3 beauty ECB, so that's when my total went a little bit down. But my total would have been $69.32 for both transactions. After coupons, deductions, and the cash back, my total just came out to $8.32. So I really hope that this video was very helpful for you to see that just with couponing and finding deals, you could actually save a lot of money. So if you really did like the video, I ask that you give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so, I welcome you and invite you to subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.